Hello everybody, this is Simibella again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to open up my advent calendar. I know it's too late, but I talked about this in a previous video. I ordered this advent calendar before Christmas, but my friend from England could not come to India before Christmas, and so I have got this now, so I can just open it together in front of you with you guys. So Tanya Burr is a British blogger and YouTuber from England, very well loved by the people there and all over. I think I like her as well. I watch her videos, so I thought why not get hold of her brand. She also has her own line of cosmetic products, and then this is her advent calendar. It is a really cute one. Let me open it up. Okay, so it's a really cute one. It has this very shiny glittery top, and then you have these numbers which you'll open, and the door. This is Jim and Tanya. Jim is her husband, and then you also have Martha here. This is their dog, and she is adorable. And yeah, so I really like the idea of this advent calendar. I don't know how many of you know about advent calendars, because these are not very popular in India. Also, they are really expensive. So what happens is, before Christmas, so like 12 days before Christmas or 24 days before Christmas, Christmas is on the 25th, so 24 days before or 12 days before, you start opening one of each box. So there are 12 boxes in this one. You also get the 24 boxes advent calendar, but I got this one which has 12. So you open each box every day until Christmas, so you build up the excitement and treat yourself every day with one product. So I haven't read the contents here, so I don't know what is there except for the first one. I opened the first one yesterday because I was so excited, and let's open it together. Let's get this first one, which I have already opened. I'll be honest with you. So this is how you open. So this would be day one, and this is I've got this lip gloss. It's so pretty. It's a very miniature size. It's not a very big one, and look at the color and the packaging. It's so cute. I'll just it's in a pinkish reddish color. I like it so much. Yeah, so this is the first one. I'm so excited to open the rest of it. Let's open number 2 now. So this is how number 2 is. What is this? Okay, it's a filer. Yeah, it's written Tanya Burr both side, and these are so cute. Let me just open this one. This is cute to carry in your purse. Let's open the third one. So third one looks quite big. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a cute mirror. Look at this. This is so cute. It's in the, I thought it was a badge actually, but it's a mirror. It's a cute small mirror. This is so travel friendly again. Let's open number 4. Where is it? Yes, here. So this is number 4. Yeah. Oh, these are glitter pots. I had heard about them. Look at this. These are so cute. You can wear this in your eyeshadows. So if you can make it, if you're going for a party and you want to wear it as an eyeshadow. Oh my god, I dropped it. Yeah. So, oh, I love it. Look how pretty it is. It sticks to your fingers or to your skin right away. I love this one. Let's open number 5. So here's number 5. Yeah, we have another lip gloss. I'm so happy with these lip glosses. These are so cute. This is a red one, like proper red. See how red this is? I love it. More than the color is okay, fine, but more than the color, I like the packaging of it. Let's open number 6. We have done with number 5. So number 6 is here. Ooh, what a glitter nail polish. It's such a cute. The packaging is extremely cute. So we have opened up number 6. Let's open number 7. Number 7 is here. What is this? So this is a glitter liner. Exciting. Everything is so party-ish in this particular advent calendar. So this is a glitter liner. I love it. So you can use this one, and maybe you can use the pot as the glitter eyeshadow. It will be perfect combination for a great party if you have one. So let's do number 8 now. So here is number 8. Oh, this is another pot. Oh, this is the white colored one. The other one was golden. It looks so fairy tale-ish white. I'll just show it to you. These are like snowflakes. It looks like snowflakes to me. So this is how they look like. Oh, these are so cute. So let's open number 9. Number 9 is here. So let's open this one. Oh, this is another lip gloss. So the first one was pink, the second is red, and the third one is little oranges. So, ooh, this one is the best one. Out of all the 3, I like this one the most. Look at the color pigmentation. And I think this is a matte one. The other 2 were glossy. 10th one. So the 10th one is here. Let's open this together. From number 10, we have got another glittery eyeliner. First one was silver. This is golden. It looks something like this. Let's open this 11th one. And I'm so happy that I'm doing this with you guys together. Even if I couldn't do it before Christmas, you know, this makes up for everything. So number 11 is another nail polish, I think. This is a red one. I'm definitely going to use this a lot. Look at this. Oh my god, I love this very dark reddish color. I think this is one of my favorite up until now. The other favorite is of course the lip glosses. So we have finally come to the last, number 12, which leads us to their home sweet home. And let's open this up together again. So let's open this. Oh, this is another glitter nail polish. So we have got 3 nail polishes. One is a silver, one is a golden, and one is a red one. I am definitely going to use red a lot. We're finally done with the advent calendar. I love the idea and the concept of advent calendar so much. It should not only be for Christmas. I feel like this should be for birthdays as well. So if my birthday is on the 12th, it should be something that leads to the day I have my birthday. I mean, this would be such a great gift for birthdays as well, not only for Christmas. And I don't know when the brands will realize that in India it will also work very well. It hasn't come to India that much. I wish it did. If you have seen my previous video, which is a London haul, you will realize that I'm doing a giveaway right now. So you can go and check that video. I'll put it here in the I link, or I'll put it in the description box. And I had said there in that particular video that I'll be putting in some stuff from this advent calendar in the giveaway itself. So I think I'll put in these 2 eyeliners, the glittery ones, in the giveaway. So this will go in set 1 of the set, and this will go in the second set. I'll also add this mirror, Tanya Burr mirror, in one of them. So it can be in any one of them. It will be a surprise for one of you guys. So I'm so glad that I did this with you guys. It's good. Everything happens for a good reason. Otherwise, I would have opened the advent calendar myself before Christmas. I'm so glad that I did it with you guys. Yeah, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more fun and interesting videos. Until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.